everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome to Control Alt Life with Vandana, a place where you hit control to take control of your lives, Alt for an alternative perspective, and of course life to cherish every moment that this journey has to offer to us. So guys, I guess you might have already seen the thumbnail. Today's video is all about my journey from college till the corporate. To start with, I want to tell you all, I was never from a computer science background. So, I am a graduate from Electronics and Communication Engineering from B&M Institute of Technology affiliated with VTU. So, yes, the thing I have studied, the thing I am working into are completely two different worlds. But yes, so there's this common myth, right? That only a computer science graduate can stick to and excel in IT? Well, here I am, proving them wrong. But this transition to get into something which I've never studied before was really not at all easy, guys. So let me take you all back to my high school days where I had Java as part of my ICSE curriculum. So that's when I had started coding or understood there's something called coding, and I was kind of interested with that as well. But all I knew was the basics of C, C++ or Java. So let me tell you one small incident that changed my complete perspective with computer science and computer science background. So there was this company called ThoughtClan which came to our campus for the campus recruitment. And out of the hundreds that appeared from the CSE, IS and EC departments, I was overjoyed because I was one of those 10 to clear the first 2 rounds of interview. The first one was basic aptitude test and the second one was a coding round. I mean, it was just one-on-one with a few questions on simple sorting and searching techniques. So these 2 rounds happened in my campus at my college, but I was more excited because the 10 people who were selected for the final round were called to their office, which is ThoughtClan. So I was much more overjoyed. One, because I am from EC and I'm still selected to a IT company for the final round, like I'm one among the 10. And I was even more joyed because I was going to visit a corporate company or an IT company for the very first time in my life. So I was very excited. I prepared all the basics of Java that I knew. I just revised everything that I know and I went for my final round. And in the final round, I was asked a question about SQL and database. So I was like this because I had never heard the term SQL or database till then. All I knew, all I thought CSE was just Java, C, C++ or Python or any other different coding language. But here came something called SQL and database, which I had no clue at all. And that's when I realized computer science is not at all just coding. From that day, I started exploring on the different concepts like SQL, RDBMS, UML, Unix. Everything that I could think of might be required for me to get into an IT company. It was very difficult for me as a person who didn't know anything at all to get started off with, but I was determined. I wanted to learn because it hit me hard that I missed the ThoughtClan one. So I wanted to be prepared myself and not miss the next chance that I might get. And soon after that, I was placed into Accenture. And they say, right, if you're determined to get something, universe just plays the role and helps you get that. So as a blessing in disguise, Accenture came up with the pre-onboarding materials. So every new joiner was given a curriculum which had around 9 subjects, including RDBMS, UML, Unix, Java. So it had around 9 subjects with a set of videos and exercises which every new joiner was given to prep them up for their onboarding. And it was really like something which I always wished for, a structured format for me to get started with, and this is something which I got. But still, it wasn't easy, guys. Going through the videos and understanding a concept was really not at all easy or enough to get started with. And that's when my best friend Aishwarya pitched in. So Aishwarya is a ISC graduate who was studying at BIT, and she is my best friend, and she pitched in and she helped me by explaining all of these concepts by giving real life examples. And that's when I could understand and get started with it. So with her support and these pre-onboarding materials, I was getting ready to kickstart my corporate journey. I would love to hear about your journeys as well. How was your transition from college to corporate? Did you all face similar challenges? Do let me know in the comment sections below. So, before you go, please do like, share and subscribe to support me on this journey. Let's grow and inspire together. Until next time, keep hitting control, exploring alt and cherishing life. Lots of love.